Hello everybody, welcome back to the Via Pinstriping page. I just wanted to show you guys this 53 Belair that I just pinstriped out here in North Carolina. So the customer basically wanted the kitchen sink. He wanted very busy, and so that is what I gave him. We did a lot of different spots. So that's the deck lid, I think is what he calls it, the Continental kit. The colors I think were maroon, teal, aqua, and I think maybe coral, either coral or salmon. So I kind of ended up with a very Miami Vice-ish colors, but we threw in the maroon to kind of darken it up some. So that's the back. Here I'll give you a nice view of the car. It's a cool looking car. Here I did the skirts for him. It's kind of hard to tell what you can see or not. It's so bright out here. He had me redo some spider webs that were already up there. Put a little something down there. Door handles. We wanted like a phoenix bird here by the antenna, using the same colors. A little something down there. And then we did the visor. I can't tell if you could see very well, but it's fairly busy as well. Stuff here. Dennis did put the grid down before I showed up, so it kind of helped out with time. Nice front piece here. Show you a little close up so you can see the detail. Sorry about the shakiness. I've put in a lot of work in like 2 days. It took me actually a day and a half to do all this stuff, because I think it's like 11 o'clock and I just got finished. So quite a bit of work. So we'll leave you back with the rear end. And again, if you're new to the page, please subscribe. Sorry about the shaky video. And have a good day.